Hey, welcome back everybody. Chris here to show you how to change the rear shocks on a Chevy Silverado. Before I get into that, take a second to subscribe to our channel if you haven't already so you don't miss out on any of our new content. Today I'll be working on this 2011 Silverado 1500 LT, but the job will be similar on most 2007 to 2016 Chevy Silverados. Remember, if you're not completely comfortable doing this yourself, we'd be happy to recommend a professional technician in your area. Once you've got your supplies together, here's what you'll do. It's recommended that you change shocks in pairs. So raising the rear of the truck and changing them at the same time is a good idea. Chock the front tires. Leave the jack under the rear axle to support it, or the new shock may not fit. Spray the nuts and bolts securing the shock with rust penetrant to make the removal easier. Remove the upper shock absorber bolt. Then remove the lower shock absorber nut and bolt. At this point, you should be able to remove the shock. Set your new shock next to the old one to make sure you have the right replacement. There may be a slight difference in length, but it won't affect performance. Before installation, it's a good idea to prime the shock absorber by fully compressing and letting it extend on its own 4 to 5 times. This will ensure that the gas and oil are in the proper position inside the shock. It can help prevent unwanted noise when you start driving with the new shocks in place. Be sure to have the shocks upright with the dust boot or metal shield at the top when priming and installing. Twin tube shock absorbers have to be installed in an upright position or they won't function properly. Lift the new shock absorber into place. Install and finger tighten the lower nut and bolt first. Now install the upper bolt and finger tighten. Lower the vehicle. Always make sure you tighten the shock absorber bolts with the weight of the vehicle on the ground to prevent binding of the bushings in the shocks. Tighten the shock absorber nuts and bolts to 85 foot-pounds. And that's it. You'll find everything that you need for this and other jobs at your local O'Reilly Auto Parts store or O'ReillyAuto.com. Our DIY videos are designed to help answer questions we get in our stores every day. If you found this one helpful, subscribe to our channel to get all the latest. We'll see you again soon.